Hey, to turn on always on display on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, all you have to do is just to swipe up from this watch face. Now you will have to open the settings. And from this, we'll have to actually go into the display. And now we have to we have to scroll down and select always on display. Now we've got smart, all scheduled. If you set the scheduled, your always on display will be shown from 8 a.m. into the 10 p.m. But I would like to get it always, so I have to select smart. I have to click here. Now I can just go back and I can go into the default theme because we can additionally change the theme. So we can actually find this 1, 2, 3, 4 themes. In my opinion, this one looks the best. And when we click on the settings icon, we can also change the font and also this widgets. So we can actually get the heart rate, the steps counter, or calorie burned. In my case, I want to get steps, so I have to click here to finish. There we go. Now I have to select this one. And now if I cover the screen with my hand, let's go back into the main watch face. There we go. Now let's see if we can actually get the always on display. Yeah, right now it's actually visible, but not that good. I'm gonna actually put it a little bit closer into the camera. Let's do this one more time. And now we'll get the always on display. It's just right here, as you can see right now. After a few seconds, it will actually disappear, but each time you are going to raise your hand, it will be actually turn it on. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.